Accademia for me means so much. They gave a home to actors to learn the craft. It gave me the opportunity to spread the legacy of Lee Strasberg, which is part of my mission in my life. I teach the same exact way I teach in New York at the Strasberg Institute. The actors work on themselves and the actors work on a character. This is working on the inner life of the character outside the play. It's very interesting to work this way, to have the thoughts and feelings of the character. Acting is having the thoughts of the character.